Online take two.
Guys, here at the Homes, we were crushing it with our online content.
But we still need to get those fans into our store, so we decided to upgrade our customers' online experience with Manychat.
Manychat helps manage conversations, grow followers, boost engagement, and convert messaging experiences into business objectives.
Say that again.
Manychat's a game changer for WhatsApp.
Using ads that click to WhatsApp, we're able to authentically engage with people already interested in our product. Then Manychat takes it to the next level with their chat automation, instantly replying to customers' questions 24/7.
Even while sleeping?
Even while sleeping.
These rich and personalized conversations help build trust with our customers.
Manychat help us make the most out of our advertising budget.
When they come to the store, our team already knows exactly what they're looking for, helping them make the sale. We also decrease our cost of retargeting, using Manychat to follow up with people who engage with our ads but haven't visited the store yet.
Ready to do more with conversations,